Welcome to the top best. The best rolling stool is probably one of the most underrated pieces of equipment for anyone spending long hours at a desk, workbench, or salon, offering unparalleled mobility and crucial ergonomic support that can transform your daily comfort and productivity, making those extended tasks feel significantly less strenuous on your back and body. Number 5. Boss B245 BKB Well Medical Spa Stool with Back. This stool's ergonomic design perfectly emulates the natural shape of your spine, significantly increasing comfort and productivity. Its gas lift allows you to effortlessly modify your height, enhancing both comfort and ergonomic benefits. It features an adjustable seat height with a generous 6-inch vertical range, adapting to various work surfaces. The seat can be set from 20.5 to 26.5 inches high, providing personalized comfort for every user. Equipped with dual wool casters and a robust 5-star nylon base, it ensures easy movement across your workspace. A stylish chrome-finished foot ring provides additional support, and it boasts a strong 275 pounds weight capacity. It is upholstered in durable, antimicrobial vinyl, making maintenance simple and ensuring lasting comfort. This high-quality material helps keep your workspace hygienic and inviting. This stool ships ready to assemble, and a clear installation manual is provided to guide you. Once assembled, its overall dimensions are 24W x 24D x 33.5 x 39.5H, fitting perfectly into your space. What we like? This stool offers an ergonomic design that naturally supports your spine, enhancing comfort and productivity. Its durable antimicrobial vinyl upholstery ensures easy maintenance and hygiene, perfect for professional environments. If you work in a medical, spa, or salon setting and prioritize hygiene and ergonomic support, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. Number 4. SUPERJARE Drafting Chair with Back. This chair features a premium hydraulic gas lift, offering an 8.6-inch height stroke and a 360-degree rotating seat. It smoothly adjusts from 23.6 to 32.2 inches, perfectly matching various work table levels. You can navigate effortlessly in busy environments without standing, making it ideal for multitasking professionals. It comes with a detachable backrest and an adjustable circular metal footrest. You can switch between a full-support task chair and a compact backless stool in seconds. This provides customized comfort for long hours, with the footrest reducing leg pressure and improving posture during precision work. Built with a reinforced chrome metal base and industrial-grade casters, it's engineered to support up to 300 pounds. This ensures a wobble-free experience, providing a rock-solid foundation for professionals of all sizes. It offers the security and durability required for intense daily use. Its 4-inch thick, high-density foam cushion is covered in waterproof, oil-resistant PU leather. The seat material is exceptionally easy to maintain and stays resilient over time. This offers a soft yet supportive sitting experience that relieves hip pressure, ideal for doctors, artists, or for home use. It features 5 dual-wheel nylon casters designed for silent movement. This chair glides smoothly on carpets, tiles, or wood floors without leaving scratches or noise. It helps maintain a quiet professional environment, and tool-free assembly takes only 5 to 10 minutes for immediate use. What we like? This versatile drafting chair features a unique removable backrest, allowing you to switch between a full-support chair and a backless stool. It boasts a wide height adjustment range and a heavy-duty build, supporting up to 300 pounds. If you need a highly adaptable chair for various tasks and heights, or require robust stability for intense daily use, this stool is a strong contender. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive product features could be extracted. Number 3. Brick Attic Drafting Chair. This chair features a spacious 15.8-inch cushion, perfectly sized for most users. Its 23.6-inch 5-star casters ensure exceptional stability, preventing tipping. A robust 2 mm thick base supports up to 300 pounds. You can easily adjust its height from 33.86 to 41.75 inches, accommodating various user heights. The integrated footrest ring also adjusts by 7.87 inches, allowing you to find the ideal angle for your legs. The PU leather backrest is ergonomically curved for superior comfort and can be detached as needed. Its thickened steel plate provides strong toughness and excellent load-bearing capacity. Crafted from high-quality PU leather, it's simple to clean and maintain. Filled with soft, high-density memory foam and equipped with smooth, silent rollers, it ensures a comfortable seating experience even for extended periods. This versatile stool is perfect for various settings, from your office or home to a spa, salon, or lab. It adapts effortlessly to different environments, making it ideal for work, relaxation, or creative tasks. What we like. This rolling stool stands out with its extra stable 23.6-inch 5-star base, significantly reducing tipping risk and supporting up to 300 pounds. It's crafted with quality PU leather and high-density memory foam for superior comfort during long periods. If you prioritize unwavering stability and plush seating comfort for extended work sessions, this chair is designed for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about the rolling stool with back support could be extracted. Number 2. AtHope Ergonomic Cross-Legged Office Chair. Discover a new way to sit comfortably at home, office, or while gaming. It supports various positions like cross-legged, squatting, or kneeling. This provides ultimate flexibility for yoga, meditation, and active sitting. Designed for those who need to move, it encourages active sitting to engage your body. This helps reduce discomfort and prevent fatigue. It's perfect for individuals with ADHD or anyone needing frequent position changes. Experience unmatched convenience with its innovative 360-degree rotating footrest. This feature allows you to effortlessly adjust your posture without shifting the entire chair. Enjoy enhanced comfort and support with every movement. It features a fixed backrest to provide consistent lumbar support. This encourages healthy posture during work or meditation. Its ergonomic design reduces lower back strain, even during extended sitting periods. Crafted with excellent materials, including an FSC-certified wood cushion frame, sturdy steel base, and durable casters, it is built to last. The soft PU leather seat is water-resistant and stain-proof, making it comfortable and easy to maintain. What we like. This unique chair is designed for those who love to sit in various positions like cross-legged or squatting, promoting active sitting and flexibility. It features an innovative 360-degree rotating footrest for effortless posture adjustments without moving the chair. If you are looking for a chair that supports dynamic sitting, meditation, or need to frequently change positions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. SONGMICS Ergonomic Wobble Stool UOSC02BK. Experience a new way to sit with this ergonomic wobble stool. Its 8-degree tilt promotes healthy posture and active sitting, helping to reduce back pain and stiffness. Its sleek design effortlessly complements any modern home or office environment. Easily customize your seating experience with its effortless height adjustment. You can change its height from 23.6 to 33.3 inches using the convenient buttons beneath the seat. This allows you to find your ideal ergonomic position for standing desks, counters, or various workspaces. Enjoy superior comfort with its generously padded seat. The large 16.5DX15W seat features thick foam for ultimate support. Its breathable polyester fabric cover ensures you stay cool and comfortable, even on warm days. Crafted for your peace of mind, this active balance stool combines robust durability with unwavering stability. It boasts a heavy-duty 264 pounds weight capacity and a floor-gripping rubber base. This ensures it stays firmly in place throughout all your active sitting sessions. Get started in minutes with its quick and easy assembly. Simply snap the pole into the base and seat, no tools are needed. You'll be enjoying its benefits almost instantly. What we like. This ergonomic wobble stool promotes active sitting with an 8 degrees tilt, helping to reduce back pain and stiffness by engaging your core. It offers effortless height adjustment via buttons under the seat, making it adaptable for various workspaces. If you are seeking to incorporate more movement into your workday and improve posture through active sitting, this balanced chair is perfectly suited for you. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.